This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Anthony Nicolosi. Main level includes living/dining room, kitchen and half bath. Upstairs you will find 2 bedrooms, full bath and laundry area. The appliances stay with this home: new water heater in 2021. Freshly painted, new LVP downstairs. Carpet up the stairs and entire second floor. Right end unit offers a bay window in the dining area. Back deck new last year and roof is days old. Heat pump is under service agreement with climate control. Convenient area of Hot Springs Village near golf, outdoor swimming pool, restaurants and shopping and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Nicolosi at 501-984